Coucou, bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Today I'm going to show you how to make cocottes en papier. When you get your cocotte, you're going to see that the contents might be a little different from what yours is, but that's okay because on all of my cocottes, at the top left, there's going to be a little star. And in this example, I've already given a little highlight for you. When we go to folding, we can't fold with this big rectangle. What we want is just the square. So I'm going to do a little bit of movie magic to cut this out. There we go, much better. So now we have our square. Next thing we're going to do is we're just going to flip it over. So this right here was where that star was. Now we're going to fold this over so that there's a plus-shaped crease in the middle. So now you're going to see that that plus shape is there. Next step, we're going to take each of the corners and we're going to fold them into the center, right in the middle of where those creases were. Okay, so now we have something like this. We're going to flip it. And then we're going to do the same thing again, where we take the corners and we fold them into the middle, just like this. All right, so now you should have something that has these little triangle petals and these square petals. So now what you do is fold it over this way, give it a little bit of a crease, open it up, fold it over this way. And now, if you take a look at these flaps here, you can stick your fingers in there and do the same thing on the other side. And with a little bit of fidgeting, there is your cocotte. Whenever you want to store it, you can just flatten it back out again.